Hi, I'm Nate, and this is the Segway-Max G2 electric scooter. After riding over 50 scooters from a dozen different brands, it's easily one of my favorites. My favorite things about it are the full suspension, its top speed of up to 22 miles an hour, and the app that allows you to customize your ride the way you want it. So to start, let's take a look at the top of the scooter here. Right here we have our display with our current speed, our drive mode, and our battery percentage. Then we have our left and right indicators, just like on a car, along with our horn and our rear drum brake. The suspension on this is incredible. Front hydraulic suspension, dual springs in their rear, and it'll absorb any bumps you'll hit. And honestly, after riding dozens of scooters without suspension, it's really hard to go back. It also has self-sealing 10-inch tubeless tires. What that means is there's a layer of gel within the tire that if you get a puncture, it'll fill in that hole so you can keep on riding. It has a top speed of 22 miles an hour in S mode. At that speed, I can usually get about 25 miles of range. If I dial it back to 16 miles an hour, I can get anywhere up to 32 miles of range on a single charge. The other thing I like to use is the Segway app. You can change the riding modes. So for me, I like to set it to its highest setting so it accelerates as fast as possible, while when my girlfriend borrows it, she usually likes to dial it down a little bit. I can also change the regenerative braking setting. Regenerative braking is how much the scooter will slow down when you lift off the throttle, kind of like a natural deceleration without even having to use the brakes. Within the app, it also will give you an estimated range based on your remaining battery percentage and your riding habits. When it comes to charging, all you need is a single power cord, no big bulky charging adapter or anything like that. It's also foldable, so you can fit in the size of most compact cars or stored away under your desk at work. And that's it, the Segway-Max G2 electric scooter. If you'd like to learn more about this scooter or any other scooters from Segway's lineup, there'll be a link down below to where you can speak to a virtual expert, like me, Nate, and I'm out.